us this night. Bring peace to every shadow, your everlasting light. Our hearts are filled with longing, our souls in quiet prayer, for you, the King of glory, to meet us in despair. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel has come to us, all fears to quell. The Savior born, our lives made new. Oh, come, Emmanuel, we wait for you. Oh, come, Emmanuel, and heal the broken heart. Restore the weary nations, your mercy to impart. The promise of salvation, your love in human form, a beacon in the darkness to calm the raging storm. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel has come to us, all fears to quell. The Savior born, our lives made new. Oh, come, Emmanuel, we wait for you. From heaven's throne to manger low, your grace upon us world bestowed. Through humble birth, through holy plan, redeeming all the hearts of man. Oh, come, Emmanuel, your kingdom now we seek. A world redeemed by justice, the strong made of the meek. Forever we will praise you, our Savior and our